Yes, hello children. Today in this video we are going to see the chapter 7 using a mouse. Okay? So you all would have seen a mouse in your home running here and there, right? So a mouse is small in size, it has a tail and it runs very fast, isn't it? So why do we talk about mouse here? Because our computer also has a mouse. Look here. So it is small just like that mouse and it has 2 to 3 buttons on it. Okay, it has 2 to 3 buttons on it. It has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. Okay, so we have 3 buttons. One is left button here and right button here. In the middle you have a scroll button. Okay, and now so how do you hold a mouse? So you have to hold it from, okay? So if you are a right-handed person, so you will place the mouse with your right hand. The forefinger should be placing your left button and the middle finger will be placing on the right button. Okay, and all other fingers on the side you will place it for the grip. Okay, proper. Then only it will be firm. Okay, and the positions. So this is an incorrect position. These are all incorrect positions. Okay, so it has to be straight. Your palm, your hand, your palm has to be straight to the mouse. Along the mouse, should go along the mouse, right? So this is the correct. These are all wrong positions. So this is how you will hold the mouse. Then a computer mouse helps us to do many things. So what is that? Draw pictures, select any item on the monitor, play games. Okay, so this is the mouse pointer. How do you see a mouse in the screen, children? We doesn't see a mouse, real mouse on the screen, right? We see the mouse which is indicated as pointer and arrow mark. It is called as mouse pointer. And when we move the mouse to the left, the arrow moves to the left. When we move the mouse to the right, the arrow moves to the right. Okay, so it moves along with our movement of the mouse. Okay, and now so here a person is going to teach you about how we are going to use a mouse. Okay, so this is a mouse and it has 3 buttons, right? So left button, right button and a scroll button, isn't it? So when we move the mouse around, the arrow on the screen also moves around. So there are 3 basic ways to use our mouse buttons. So how do you do left or single click? When you click the left button, you will click single or double and right click. Okay, let us see why do we use a double click and why do we use a single click and why do we use a right click. Okay, double click. Double click, you will do this in the left button. Okay, so double click is most often to open items, any item. It can be a folder, it can be a song, it can be your file, anything. So you have to place a pointer on that item and you have to double click. To double click the mouse, press and release the button quickly twice. Okay, and then left or single click. Single click, that is left or single click means to click or press down the left button only once and quick. It is used to select any item on the screen. Okay, then right click is done and it's done on the right button. Okay, right clicking an item usually displays a list of things you can do with the item. Okay, so it displays a list of commands. Right click an item, point them on the screen and then click. You will some options will be displaying on the right side. Okay, so this is that's it. This is how you will handle a mouse. Thank you.